Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best angle grinder that you should buy. Let's do started.
Number 1. Enter Twist Oscillating Tool Angle Grinder. Accessories by simply twisting the knob, inserting accessory and pushing it down. Number 2. Wesco Angle Grinder Oscillating Tool Kit. .2 degrees oscillation angle of oscillation for great performance to handle more tasks. Work with high efficiency and speed. Quick change lever. Flip the tool-free blade change lever forward to select the right accessory for the job without a wrench, saving time and strength. Insert the accessory on the blade interface. Make sure the accessory is on the right position of the blade interface. Flip the tool-free blade change lever forward to the open position and take off the flange from the machine. Number 3. MPT 900 watts 5 inches Angle Grinder M14 Output Shaft. Professional Angle Grinder M14 Output Shaft 125 mm will guard, 900 watts, side dustproof switch, suitable for heavy cutting and grinding. 3 motor size 60 mm, 200 degrees Celsius high temperature resistance copper wire and overload resistance, dustproof motor rotor winded, stator coated, copper brush holder structure, excellent heat dissipation. 2. Unique design. Number 4. Brushless Cordless Angle Grinder 20 volts max. High-performance brushless motor with low noise, optimizes grinding efficiency, increasing 10x motor life and 2.5x use time per charge. The operating efficiency is 150% higher compared to conventional angle grinders. No sparks are generated during use, is safer, more durable, more high performance. The brushless angle grinder can produce 10,000 RPM for aggressive cutting, grinding, removal and finishing. Can be used in different kinds surface, such as steel, PVC tube, stone, marble, concrete, tiles, walls. Combined with the grinding wheel. Number 5.
Tackle your jobs with the Craftsman V20 20-volt max grinder. The high-performance motor has the power needed for grinding, and its cast metal gear housing provides durability. It's designed with a spindle lock that makes it easy to change the wheel. A contoured 3-position handle provides comfort, and when you're finished, you can easily hang it up out of the way. Add the powerful Craftsman V20 20-volt max grinder to your home improvement arsenal and make demanding projects easy. Craftsman, we
Thanks for
build
watching.
pride.
To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.